Euro USD live PMI Monday, the 23rd of September 2024 market direction with entry, stop loss, and the take profit. And remember, on this very live stream, I'll be having a free giveaway. So be sure to stick around as I unpack this. So thank you so much for joining me, guys. Thank you for all the time you always take every Monday to Friday. 9:30 a.m. my local time, that's East African time. If you're using the New York time, that's exactly at 2:30 a.m. I get onto these live streams to basically be able to share what I believe the direction of the day is going to be like on the Euro USD. So thank you so much for joining me. Thank you to whoever is joining right now. I greatly appreciate you taking your time to basically spend some time with me as I unpack and share with you guys what I believe the direction of the day is going to be like on the Euro USD. Now, are you ready to know the direction of the day for the world's most traded Forex pair, the Euro USD? If you are ready, I am ready. And thank you so much. So now, if you are asking, or if you're asking yourself exactly how does he get to determine this direction? Now, for me, I use a 50% win rate strategy, which I share everything about right here on the channel. So if you are out there and you lack, clarity when it comes to the daily bias, or basically you do not have a strategy to trade, a strategy, by strategy, I mean a profitable strategy to trade, definitely this is going to be a strategy you take yourself home with, and will be able to make you profitable. As I told you, it's a 50% win rate strategy with a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. So definitely it is a very profitable strategy. And if you are an ardent follower here, you know that usually I share details about this particular strategy and exactly how it has been performing for me for close to 2 years now. And it is a very profitable strategy. So definitely, if you are out there and you lack a strategy, this is the strategy that you're going to be using. Now, you know that every single month I end the month profitable. So you know that this is a profitable one. So if you're out there and you lack a strategy to trade, definitely this is going to be the strategy that you're going to be using to actually trade these markets. Now, let's get into this. How do you choose a good trading mentor? I mean, how do you do this? For me, I summarize this in 2 ways. Number one, that particular mentor that you choose to actually go with must be very transparent. This should be someone that has good transparency. Do not go for someone who only shows you, those good trades that they've taken in the market. If you see someone that only shows you the good side of trading, run for your life. I'm telling you, run for your life. A mentor that you choose should be able to show you their downfalls, the good times and the bad times. That's the kind of person you should be going with. Do not choose someone who only shows you the good part of trading. Then number 2, it should be someone that has a good track record, because this is, you want to become like this person. You want to move in this person's footsteps. If they do not have a good track record in terms of maybe over a period of maybe a year, have they been profitable, they should be able to show you this. If they can't show you this, definitely that's not a good mentor to go with. So this is my word of advice to you. You can take it or leave it, but I believe that if you are looking for a good mentor out there, definitely these are some of the criterias that you should be using to actually select out a good mentor for yourself, so that you embark on the profitable journey that you hope to actually achieve in these markets. So basically, that's my word of advice. Obviously, you can take it or leave it, but this is what I believe, because through experience, I've noticed that there are so many fakes out there, especially the social media influencers that many of you guys tend to follow. I'm telling you, many of these guys are not real traders. Many of them are just marketing, for many of these companies. They're trying to market for them to show you the good side of trading, and they are not showing you the other side, that is actually the real side of trading. I'm telling you, so many of these guys are fakes, and do not fall for them. So if you're looking for a mentor, try and look out for these qualities that I've just shared. This will enable you, go in with the right person that is going to be able to take you to the profitability that you hope to achieve from these markets. So basically that is it there. And getting back into the strategy, or getting back to the strategy, as I've told you, it's a 50% win rate strategy with a 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. So it is a very profitable strategy. But of course, you do not have to take my word for it. Once I share everything about the strategy, the way I'm going to be sharing, I told you I'm going to be giving this away for free right here on the live stream. So I'll be sharing every nitty-gritty when it comes to this strategy, so that you guys can be able to also go trade the same way I trade. So with this strategy, it is a very profitable strategy, and you can at least learn everything about it right here on the live stream. Then you obviously don't have to take my word for it. You have to go back test this strategy and make it your very own, because it is very simple, that even for someone who is just starting out, definitely they're able to start using this strategy. So it's a very simple strategy that I believe even someone who is just a beginner trader, they can be able to use this same strategy. They can be able to learn it, back test it, and start using it in the market. So basically, this is it. And for me, when it comes to trading, before I even get onto the charts, what I like to do is basically check out the fundamental side to see exactly what the fundamental side is saying for the day. Now, today, which is the 23rd of September 2024, if I'm to look at the charts right here, let me try and see exactly. I'm going to be sharing my screen just in a bit, so that you guys can be able to see exactly what I'll be seeing on my side. Let me try and share that just in a bit. I'll be sharing that just in a bit. Be a bit patient as I try to show you or share with you guys what exactly I'll be seeing or watching on my side. So okay, so let's try and see that right now. Okay, so hope you guys are able to see. So for today, which is September 23rd, this is exactly what we have. We have PMI both on the euro and the United States dollar. So at 10:15 a.m. my local time, there's going to be French flash PMI. Then at 10:30, there will be German flash PMI. Then USD PMI, that will be at 4:45 my local time. So basically, what does this mean for me? Before I even get onto the charts, usually this is what I like to acquaint myself with, to see exactly what the fundamental side is saying. So today, before this news drops, usually I like to manage my trades. If I have a trade on, I like to manage it in a way of basically moving my stop to break even, so that if that particular news it happens to go against me, especially these red folder news events, if it happens to go against me, then I don't get slipped as much as someone who has left full risk on. So basically, this is how I do it, and it's the reason I always like to know exactly the time these fundamental news events are going to be dropping. So basically, that is it. And then if we are to get back onto the charts, so this is what we have for today. Today, which is 23rd September 2024. So what do I expect? For me, this is what I'm looking out for. I'm actually looking for price to come. So it has already tapped into this area of interest. So usually how the strategy is that it bases off the previous day's price action. So the previous day, which was Friday, the 20th of September, basically I look out for areas of interest. So we can see that amongst those areas of interest, I like to see either a fair value gap, an order block, or equal highs or equal lows. So when we see right here, we can see there's a fair value gap here that was left from that previous day's price action. And then also there were equal lows that formed right there. So price has basically tapped into those equal lows, and then this is what we have. So so what I'm basically going to be doing is basically entering right now. So let me try and measure this out. So I'm hoping to enter from around here. This will be my entry point. So basically this is what I'm going to do. This is the level I'm going to be entering at right here. Once price comes back here, then this is when I'll be entering to basically take a long right here. So for me, when it comes to the stop loss, I always use 10 pips as my stop loss. It's a mechanical stop loss. And when it comes to the take profit, I always use 30 pips in the market. So basically, I like to also squeeze this to give me a 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio so that I'm able to make extra profits from these markets. So basically, this is what I'm going to be looking out for today, the 23rd of September 2024. This is exactly what I'm going to be looking out for. And once price gives me what exactly I'm hoping for it to give me, I'll be striking right there and then. So basically, this is it for today. Hope you guys have followed this very well. This is how I'm going to be entering the market, and hope you trade this same exact way, because I'm telling you, this is a very profitable strategy, and you will always remain profitable or stay profitable as you trade these markets. But remember to always, manage your risk well. Do not over risk. Try and stay within your risk parameters, and then basically you'll be able to conquer these markets. So this is it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. In case you did, please drop a like on it, because this really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you guys a very good trading day.